If you're a man over 50, I want you to stay with me for the next few minutes, because today I'm going to show you a simple daily food combination that supports energy, recovery, digestion, and overall vitality. And the best part? It uses two foods you probably already have in your kitchen. I'm Dr. Jessica Morgan, and I help men across the United States reclaim their strength, confidence, and wellness through realistic, science-based habits. But before we begin, take a moment to relax. So many men feel overwhelmed when they hear the words health routine or diet changes, but today's method is simple, fast, and designed for real life. And if you're over 50, you're going to appreciate how gentle yet powerful this combination really is. Let me start with a story. One of my patients, let's call him Richard, is 62 years old. He's active, retired, and loves spending time outdoors. But he told me that lately his mornings felt sluggish. He woke up tired, his recovery was slowing down, and he felt like his metabolism wasn't working the way it used to. Instead of jumping to supplements, I suggested starting with real foods that support natural energy and stable blood sugar. And one recipe made a noticeable difference in his daily routine. Today, I'm sharing that same recipe with you. All you need is 2 bananas and 2 eggs. It sounds almost too simple, but the combination of nutrients in these foods makes them extremely helpful for men over 50. Most men don't realize bananas are one of the top 3 most consumed fruits in the world, and there's a reason for that. Bananas provide natural carbohydrates that help support energy levels, especially for men experiencing midday fatigue. They also contain a form of potassium known as potassium 40, which is naturally occurring. And yes, before you ask, it's safe, completely natural, and harmless in the amounts found in food. But potassium is especially important for older men. It supports muscle function, blood pressure balance, and fluid regulation, all crucial as we age. When men reduce their activity or hydration, potassium often drops, leading to muscle cramps, fatigue, and slower recovery. A banana helps replenish those levels naturally. Now, let's talk about eggs. Eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense foods available, providing high-quality protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins. For men over 50, protein becomes even more important to support muscle strength and maintain healthy metabolism. Eggs deliver this in a natural, easily digestible form. When you mash 2 bananas with 2 eggs and cook them gently, similar to the recipe in your file, you create a soft, nutritious, energy-supporting meal that works beautifully for breakfast or before physical activity. It's gentle on digestion, easy to prepare, and offers a natural boost without caffeine or processed sugar. The recipe also uses cinnamon, which helps stabilize blood sugar, and a small amount of milk, which provides calcium and additional protein. For many men, especially those struggling with morning fatigue, this combination offers steady, consistent energy. Cooking it slowly on low heat allows the mixture to form a soft, pancake-like consistency. It's naturally sweet from the bananas, comforting, and perfect for men who want something warm, nutritious, and easy to digest first thing in the morning. Many men don't realize that the foods they eat daily can either drain or restore their energy. This simple banana and egg recipe supports stable energy, recovery after activity, and natural vitality, without requiring supplements or complicated prep. If you're a man over 50 looking for a gentle, effective way to support your energy and daily performance, try adding this recipe into your routine. It's simple, fast, and surprisingly satisfying.